The following is a list of tools and equipment that mold makers typically use in their jobs. A milling machine is used for most of the basic material removal operations. These operations include rough and finish milling, drilling, reaming, boring, and hand tapping of threads. Horizontal band saws are usually used to cut large pieces of stock material into the rough sizes needed for further machining. Vertical band saws are used for the rough cutting of smaller stock and are capable of making curved cuts. Lathes are used for machining most of the cylindrical-shaped parts in a mold. A radial drill press is a large machine that's used to drill deep holes and some of the less precise work on large molds. Surface grinders are versatile machines used for accurately sizing and shaping both square and round parts. Surface grinders will routinely hold tolerances of 1/10,000th of an inch. EDM machines electrically etch material from the part being made. EDM stands for Electrical Discharge Machining. An electrode, usually made of carbon or graphite, is machined to the desired shape and then connected to electricity to burn into the surface of the material. CNC milling machines can be programmed to do a wide variety of cutting operations with accuracy and repeatability. CNC stands for Computer Numerically Controlled, so a computer helps to make these machines produce very precise results. A grinder is used to sharpen drills and tools. A tool and cutter grinder is used to custom grind cutting tools into specific shapes and sizes. A cut-off grinder is a high-speed abrasive wheel used for cutting various pins and parts to length. A variety of cutting tools are used to create the shapes needed in a mold. Some examples are end mills, for cutting horizontally as well as vertically. Drill bits, for drilling holes into parts. Taps, for making threaded holes. Counter bores, for creating a larger recessed diameter at the beginning of a drilled hole. Boring heads, for large holes and better finishes to the holes. And reamers, for very accurately sized holes. There are a number of fixtures and holding devices that are used by mold makers. A squaring block is a magnetic fixture used to hold a block of steel on a surface grinder when the mold maker needs to grind perpendicular surfaces. A grind-all fixture is used with a surface grinder to grind various shapes, diameters, flats, and details on core pins. An angle plate is a 90-degree reference fixture that holds parts perpendicular to the grinding machine table. A toolmaker's vise is a precision vise used for squaring smaller parts and holding them while they are being machined. Sign plates accurately hold a part at a specific angle for machining. Mold makers use many measuring devices to check their work. These include micrometers, gauge pins, indicators, coordinate measuring machines, optical comparators, surface plates, master blocks, and calipers.